Are you a new motorcycle rider looking for quick how-tos and product reviews? If so, then you're in the right place. I'm Lavatronn, and I've been riding motorcycles for 4 years now. I've gone from a 125cc all the way up to an 803cc Ducati Scrambler. I've been anonymous online for quite some time, but now I want to add my voice and partially my face to help level up and liven up this channel. If you haven't noticed yet, yes, I am a female motorcycle rider. I know it's hard to tell, many people don't know this. Here on this channel, you'll find quick how-tos on basic maintenances and mods, and product reviews on the best gear and accessories, mainly geared towards beginners. Full videos are posted every Friday at noon, and fun YouTube shorts are posted every Monday at noon. Motorcycles are more than just toys. Once you get your first bike, it's so easy to turn it into a lifestyle. Hit subscribe to get all the latest updates. I also just want to say thank you to everyone who is currently subscribed and who's been enjoying my channel in its current form. Big things are coming, stay tuned for more.